Welcome, Kathy. Welcome to SaaS with SaaS today. So today I'm gonna ask you one feature of Salesforce which is your favorite. Over to you.
Thank you so much for having me, first of all. And it's a great opportunity for people who are listening to know about Salesforce and the wonderful innovations that they come up with every time. So, this is really great. While talking about one feature that I really love, as someone who is very passionate and a very passionate advocate of Salesforce field service for really a long time, I have personally seen field service being evolved or continue to evolve and drive incredible impact. There are so many features of field service that really excites me, whether it's seamless scheduling or smart dispatching or ability to optimize technician routes.
Right.
But obviously, with every feature of Salesforce, there's something that really stands out.
Right.
And Field service itself is empowering teams. So, with the introduction of Einstein One Field Service Edition,
Mhm.
Salesforce, has taken it to the next level. The new package is a game changer. It's combining trusted AI, that is the hottest innovation and the new topic that's going on in the market.
Yep.
The automation and the real time access to enterprise data. I mean, that is all a company or a business would need.
Yep.
So coming to field service back again, technicians would need a unified view of all of the critical information, whether it's asset history, past appointments, customer insights, everything. If that is on their fingertips, it is not just fixing problems, but it is fixing them at the right time, at the right moment, driving up those fix rates at the best, and also transforming service calls into revenue opportunities. So the combination of AI and automation is something that we are talking about, and Salesforce has successfully implemented it, is coming up with such innovations. And with this Einstein One Field Service Edition, I believe it's just going to rocket high the Salesforce field service in general. And it's the best possible innovation, I think, that Salesforce is coming up, which will not only fix the problems, but also, drive the revenue opportunities. That should be the topmost priority right now. So yeah, this is something that I love, and I hope everyone would be listening to this and would be beneficial about this topic. So yeah,
Yep.
thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing it with us. Like it's a valuable feature, really nice add-on by Salesforce. Yep. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for having me.